Welcome to Columbia Ford Kia. This is the 2012 Ford Fusion SEL. This is one of our best sellers here at Columbia Ford Kia, and for good reason. We're going to give the new Fusion a review, an exhaust clip, and even a drive around the lot. So let's get it started. Let's start by going under the hood. This one is equipped with 240 horsepower and 223 foot-pounds of torque. This Fusion comes with 17-inch aluminum, 8-spoke wheels, wrapped in Michelin Energy. Being the SEL, it has a rear spoiler, chrome grille, and even keyless entry. This one comes with the white tri-coat paint combination, which is a $495 option on the Fusion. It's even equipped with rain-sensing wipers and blind spot detection on the mirror. So now that you've seen the outside of the new Fusion, let's check out the interior. I'll start by pointing out the 10-way power adjustable driver and a 4-way power passenger seat. As always, Ford is equipped with this one with power locks, power windows, and power adjusting mirrors. Black perforated leather with white stitching. The Fusion also sports a leather-wrapped steering wheel with cruise control, as well as volume and media controls, and an easy-to-read gauge cluster. This one comes with the Sun and Sync package, offering Microsoft Sync and a power moonroof. Dual zone climate control is available, as well as Sirius radio, CD, AM, FM, and obviously auxiliary, where you can store your favorite songs in the car's memory. The 2012 Ford Fusion also features a 6-speed select shift transmission. Ford also allowed you to get the option of a 12-speaker Sony surround sound system, 5 of which are on the rear deck. Fusion logo embroidered seats. The new Fusion also features award-winning trunk space. Best in class right here. And as you can see above, you have the subwoofers that go to the rear deck for the Sony sound system. That's really all there is to the new Fusion on the inside. Let's give it a start. We'll turn down the radio. We'll give it a couple revs. So now we've reviewed the 2012 Ford Fusion SEL, we've given you an exhaust clip, and there's only one thing left to do at this point. We're going to take it for a test drive. I'd like to comment on how responsive the new Fusion is in power. You just heard the exhaust clip. It sounds pretty nice for a 3-liter V6 engine, especially with the dual exhaust. I believe there's an aftermarket system that you can get, but hey, it's a Fusion, you know, you don't really need it. It's a nice car anyways. It's very smooth, great steering. Airbags all around, side curtain airbags, you name it, it's got the safety features. A great sound system, let's turn it up. Hey, what's so wrong with one more drinking song? That's without any of the treble or bass adjusted. That's how it comes from the factory, and I think it sounds perfect the way it is. And it's just a lot of fun to drive. I'm very comfortable with where I'm seated in this car. It's just a really nice vehicle. For under 30 grand, that's kind of a challenge to achieve something like that. So about the 2012 Fusion and its reliability. Obviously, I work at a Ford dealer. I'm going to tell you that it's a great and reliable car. However, Ford will back you up with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. I believe it's a 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty for the powertrain as well. That comes in handy. Overall, I really do like the new Fusion. They've done a great job with it. It's available here at Columbia Ford, as well as the Fusion, well, obviously Fusion, Fiesta, Fusion Hybrid, the Focus, All great cars, especially the Taurus as well. We'll review that too. If you have any questions on the new Fusion or any other vehicles on our lot, feel free to give us a call, 860-228-AUTO. That's 228-2886. Visit us at columbiaford.com. We're also a Kia dealer. You can find all of our Kia inventory on columbiaford.com. Like us on Facebook. We're always giving stuff away. Right now we're giving away a 47-inch Vizio LCD TV. We'd love for you to win, so check that out. Like us. And you can stay up to date on all of our inventory. That's really it for the 2012 Ford Fusion. This is Topher the Demo Dude. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you'd like, and check out some of our other videos. Once again, thanks and have a great day. Until next time, thanks for watching.